Over here, we found some cicada killer wasps in the backyard. Right now, they're, having some fun. These insects are about 2 inches in size and get their name from, you guessed it, killing cicadas in order to reproduce their larvae. They may look dangerous, but they're not aggressive. In fact, they will only sting if they're grabbed roughly, stepped on, or caught in clothing. For treatment, we're going to inject a residual dusting application into every single cicada killer burrow. This treatment will rapidly eliminate the cicada killer wasps.